What if I told you people are making over $10,000 a month on YouTube without ever recording a single video? No camera, no mic, no editing skills, and no showing their face. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how they're doing it, step by step. Plus, I'll reveal how you can start your own automated YouTube channel this week, even if you're starting from zero. If you are new in this channel, hit the subscribe button and give a thumbs up. Okay, now the question is, what is YouTube automation? YouTube is a business model where you own a channel, but you outsource all the work. Let me break it down. You don't need the script, a freelancer does. You don't record the voice, a voice artist does. You don't edit the video, an editor does. You don't even design the thumbnail, someone else handles that too. You are the owner, not the operator. It's like building a digital cash flow machine that runs without you being on camera. So now the next question is, why it works? So how does this even make money? YouTube pays you when people watch your videos. It's called AdSense revenue. Then there's affiliate marketing, digital product, and even sponsorships, all without showing your face. But here's what makes this powerful. If you pick the right niche, YouTube pays you $10 to $20 per 1,000 views. Now compare that to regular entertainment content. Most of them get less than $2 per 1,000 views. That's why automation channel is niche like finance, like my niche, tech and health are absolute gold mines. I wanna show you an example. A finance channel, 100,000 monthly views can generate $2,000 to $3,000 passively. And if you scale it up, it on 500,000 views or 1,000,000 views, you're looking full-time income or more. Let's give you a real example. Let's talk results. One Faceless finance channel earns $12,000 per month just from top 10 list videos. Another in the luxury niche hit $5,000 per month in less than 90 days. And guess what? They started with just a few $100 by hiring freelancers from Fiverr and Upwork. No fancy studio, no YouTube experience, just smart execution. Some of them even run multiple channels, diversifying across niche like crypto, productivity, and even AI tutorials. Once you understand this model, it's easy to repeat and scale step-by-step blueprint. Here's how you can start your own Faceless YouTube channel. So step 1, choose a profitable niche. Finance, tech, luxury, health, motivation, all high CPM. Oversaturated areas like gaming, unless you bring a unique angle. Step 2, research what's working. Start a channel with millions of views. Use tools like vidIQ or TVidy to see keywords. Look at thumbnails, titles, pacing, and video length. Step 3, build your team. Scriptwriter, voiceover artist, video editor, thumbnail designer. Start with just one freelancer. If your budget is tight, you can grow, your revenue comes in. Step 5, monetize smartly. Turns on AdSense after 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hour. Add affiliate links to products or tools mentioned in the video. Later, sell your own ebooks or digital course once you have built an audience. This is how you go from zero to passive income, one system at a time. So section 5 is a common mistake to avoid. Most people fail at YouTube automation because they pick an oversaturated niche without understanding demand. Don't invest in good scripts or engaging visuals. Rush to upload instead of focusing on what actually works. Quit after uploading just 5 videos. You need to treat this like business, not a get-rich-quick scheme. The ones who succeed are the ones who stick with it, test different content types, and refine their process over time. So now you know how stranger making $10,000 a month without recording a single video. But here's the catch. Not every niche is created equal. Some niche make pennies, other make 100 per videos. So in my next video, I'll reveal the top 5 niche for YouTube automation in 2025. You will learn which ones pay the most, have low competition, and grow fast. Click here to watch that now. If you have found this video helpful, drop a like, hit the subscribe button, and share it with your friends. And turn on the bell icon so that you can notified my update. This channel is all about building income stream and financial freedom.